Imagine someone telling you that the world has just 1,000 days left before it enters a phase where nothing can go back to the way it was. Not because of any disaster, not even because of the politics, but because of artificial intelligence becoming too capable, too efficient, and too inexpensive to compete with. This statement isn't coming from a random commentator. It comes from Emad Mostaque, one of the most influential minds in the modern AI. And what he's saying is not science fiction, it's a direct prediction about how work, jobs, and values are about to change forever. So, who is Emad Mostaque? He's a founder of Stability AI, the company that created Stable Diffusion. So, what is Stable Diffusion? Well, a breakthrough technology that made AI image generation accessible to the entire world. And he works directly with the researchers, CEOs, engineers, and the government. He understands where AI is heading because he helps to build the systems which is shaping in that direction. And when someone at this level speaks, the entire industry listens. And now, what is this 1,000 day window he talks about? Well, let me explain. According to him, from the day ChatGPT was released, the countdown has totally began. What does it mean? So basically, he means that a window of roughly 3 years in which society still functions in a familiar way. And after those 1,000 days, he says the changes driven by AI will become irreversible. Not because AI will overpower humans, but because the economics of the human labor will shift completely. Now, I know these terms are a bit complicated for you, right? So, let me break that down in just simple terms. Just in the today's world, many people are using a laptop for writing emails, analyzing data, designing, coding, editing, planning, researching, or doing customer support. Well, these all are called cognitive jobs. Jobs that use the brain more than the hands. And Imad explains that in this 1,000 day period, AI will become so advanced that any task done on a computer will be performed by AI faster, more accurately, and for almost zero cost. Yes, almost zero cost. Now, why does this happen? Because of the AI agents. Advanced version of the tools we use today will be able to write their own instructions, check their own mistakes, and improve their own work. Imagine a digital worker that never gets tired, never takes breaks, never asks for the salary, and delivers perfect work every time. Right? So, if something like that becomes possible, and Imad says it will, then the cost of human cognitive labor will collapse, and absolutely it will, right? So, he calls this a decoupling of labor and capital. This means companies will no longer grow by hiring more people, they will grow by deploying more AI workers. Well, if a company could have 10 human employees and 500 agents silently performing the thousands of tasks in the background, then this is the future he is pointing towards. And here comes the core purpose behind everything we do here. Right now, thousands of powerful AI tools are scattered all across the internet, hidden, overlooked, or impossible to find unless you spend hours searching. Tools that can save your time, strengthen your ideas, and make your work sharper and faster in ways most people won't even realize yet. Most individuals will never discover this tool, but that is exactly where this channel Athhexx steps in. My work is to go through the noise, explore what actually matters, test what truly works, and bring you the tools that can create immediate difference in your day-to-day life. Explained simply, clearly, and much practically so that even a fifth grade students can understand it, and a CEO or a founder can see it value instantly. And this is where the foundation of this platform becomes absolutely clear. Athhexx is built for a person who wants to stay ahead, the person who doesn't want to wait for the future but want to understand it now, and the person who wants clarity in the world overflowing with complexity. Every video here exists with one purpose: to give you an advantage, to show you the tools most people will discover the months later, and to make you smarter, faster, and more capable in the world where technology evolves every single day. Ethics is not about just showcasing the tools, it's about the unlocking absolute potential, and it is all about giving you access to the ideas, systems, technologies that elevate your work and thinking. So, if your goal is to move forward with the confidence and to understand the AI without confusion and to never fall behind simply because you don't know what existed, then you are exactly where you need to be. Welcome to Athhexx. This is where your advantage begins.